Hello, if you wonder if your Apple Watch Series 10 count jump rope as steps, so yes and no. And what I mean, it can actually track jump rope as a steps, but only if you didn't actually enable the workout. So as you know, we can actually go for the workouts, and here we can find the jump rope, and when you actually enable it, then it will actually track jump rope specifically, and this will actually provide metrics like calories burned, heart rate, and the workout duration without counting the jumps as steps. And if we want a more accurate assessment, consider using a dedicated jump rope app, or for example workout mode on the Apple Watch, as I mentioned like a few moments ago. So that's what I want to say. Basically, if you are like moving your hand like this, sometimes the Apple Watch can actually count it as a steps, but if you actually start the workout like the jump rope, it shouldn't actually count this. So that will be all. Thanks for watching.